Previously, mukwano gange yangamba mpunya akamwa, and honestly that shocked me because I thought I was the most careful person when it comes to oral hygiene. Well, I do brush 2 to 3 times a day depending on my day and of course for how much I've eaten. So I booked an appointment with ZYREN Dental Spa. They are found in Chireka, just opposite police, on a building called Nachimbugwe. On the first floor, just nga wakalinya madala gasoka, on your right ogenabo oliraba bali just ya kumpi nnyo. So I went there, and of course one thing that amazed me, consultation is free. How amazing is that? So consultation is free. I had to go there just to make sure everything was okay, or if something was wrong, because I do interact with a lot of people on a daily and I do not want to make someone uncomfortable. Of course, that is Chiswaza, okay? So I went there and we talked about a lot of things, and he suggested we should do some checkup. When we did a checkup, we found out that I had problems with my teeth and it couldn't be visible. I couldn't just see it just by me looking at like into the mirror, okay? Now they do offer different services like teeth whitening, they do refill, both permanent and of course semi-permanent. They do braces, they do lots and lots of things. Now one thing that amazed me is the crown. Maybe we crown, they are so cheap, like they are really affordable. I couldn't really believe that. So you can contact them. The whole of this month and next month I'm going to be in Chiembe. Get ready with me. Now I'm a fashion designer and I make clothes. Currently I'm making suits and I'm enjoying them. Now I wanted to show you the process that we go through actually when we have to make like order nga elinene in bulk. So this is the process that we go through. We do not, for example, when you try no collar in Pali, we had to cut 300 shirts, school uniforms, and you cannot actually cut them one by one. So this is how we do it, okay? Now abantu abaleyo nga ogenda mu suits ze Kampala mu maduuka n'olowooza nti no oliwa beeyi nnene nnyo, ezo suiti bazijja Turkey, Germany, ezo suiti tuzikole eno wansi ku ground ne bazi rebranding. Anyways, I'm just here to let you know that I'm doing fashion and I'm sewing. I sew clothes actually. Check on Premium Glam, you're going to see nice outfits. But soon we are shifting to town because I think I love it here. I've been in Chiembe for 2 months now. I'm making 2 months now, but people here are so friendly. Hey guys, abantu bamanyi muberewe ne muzala wanenga ku ground birala. Anyways, just this is the process that I wanted to show you. You'll be seeing more soon or later, but right now mugende ku YouTube channel yange Eya Farm. I do poultry farming or poultry keeping and maize farming on the farm. Thank you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I don't know which episode this is, but I have good news. I'm actually from Chireka. I went to town, I went to Mkono, and I finished up my day in Chireka, and I'm from creating content. Now for a brand, we have a new brand on the board. So we have a new brand on the board and we started working together, and this has been our first shoot and it has been successful. It has been really, really successful. We've created many videos, both mine and other people's created, because I had to be there to act like maybe a vixen. Is it called vixen? Or whatever. So yeah, I actually, it went well, it was good, and I cannot wait for you to find out which brand this is, and I'm going to be working with them for some good time, and God willing everything goes as planned. Now this is a brand that you need to actually know about and then focus on, because it is on your health, it's about your health and all that, so it's going to be beneficial. And of course I'll be plugging you on everything that they have in store and what you need to do to access them and then to get better services. So yeah, this is not my first time going there. I went there, I checked their services, we had a talk, and I've been following them for some good time now, and I feel like it is right now, it is the best time to work with them, because at least I know a lot about them. So yeah, that is it for today, and this has been my dress. This is the new dress that I need actually to try on. I have so many dresses and so many trousers. Anyway, I have like clothes that I need to try on for you, and I hope soon or later I'll do the try ons for you guys. But I'm so happy, so excited. So yeah, check my TikTok. Of course, I have some good news out there, and on my YouTube. Stay tuned. Bye. So I was telling you, I'm going to town. I just wanted to show you my outfit and then tell you what I'm going to do on a weekend. So today is Saturday. I'm going to deliver. I also have classes, so up in the evening. So after, I'm going to just go straight home. I'm going in Mukono, and tomorrow I'll be in Kayunga, just in the village, to do some things. So this is the bag that I'm taking. It has my long that I want to use. Have clothes home. So yeah, this is my outfit, and I'm just going to hold this bag. Guys, I bought a laundry basket, and I feel like it looks good there. So for the shoes, I'm wearing this Zara from Soulmate Shoes. So this dress looks nice. Tell me, I wanted to go to the beach today, but my friend cancelled because Yabadagina Bera busy. So yeah, I couldn't go, but I need to go soon. So I'm going to go now. See you when you see me. Ate nkoko kasito naye amazzi gamenya. Kati lwoba otambudde omanya tezigenda kunywa. Naye sebo ziba ojja zino. Udakika ziba zimazeemu.
Sagenda naye waliwo oyinza okujja twaliwo yabawo.
So we finished late, but this is how the work is. Tutuserede, no? Etubadetino tuka. I think you see where we started from. From there. Yeah. Mkwano watuse. And look at this, guys. Yeah, so we shall start from there. Looks nice. Unfortunately, solar balaga right now. I'm looking for my tripod. It is almost 7. So that is where we started from. Yeah, so this is the work. Bino ebipale byammwe ebikola obubina bye mwambala bye balese mu Chinatown byanvumizza kyokka ate mu inbox bangi abali bimbuuza. Anyways, leo kambatwaleko ku ZYREN Dental Spa bakola ku mannyo. Recently amannyo nalina obuzibu nengendayo, so ne bagakolako and I give them 95%. Now if you know me, I'm so picky and I'm so sensitive to hygiene. One of the things that attracted me was the hygiene and the fact that they have every equipment that you need to be worked on. Now they have professional dentists, binary receptionists omulungi noba ngogenze nga bali busy. Honestly, you're not going to regret to wait, but of course they're not going to make you wait because they have several dentists. Now I went there and I found out that they work on different things, they do different things, give different services. For example, bakuyamba on your hair hygiene, bakola dental surgery, bakola root canal, bakola crowns. Oba ina amannyo nga gamenyeka oba nga gafuna obuzibu basobola okukolako root canal oba ne bakola crowns at an affordable price. Guys, another thing that I wanted you to utilize, of course if I don't plug you, who will? Another thing that I wanted you to try is the consultation. Now their consultation is free, even if you don't have money to work on your tooth right now, but if you have a problem you can go there, consult them, bagambe choino kola newe sortinga noddayo ne bakolako. Ogenda basange Chireka opposite police ne number ya ku screen. Thank you.